Hi guys! Hapon na naman. Actually, gabi na. Kaya lang maliwanag pa kasi, ano na, summer. Punta kami ng Big Double. Yo! Bibilhin namin yung gusto namin bilhin last time nung nag-regalo shopping kami. Kasi naka-sale yung iPad, guys. So, sign na siya na, you know, ito na talaga yung ating time. Bumili ng iPad. Naka-sale siya from, I think, $450. Tapos ngayon, $399 na lang siya. Where is it? Daming Christmas tree. Oh, that's cute. What do you want to buy for yourself? What do you want to buy? This is a follow me around vlog for you, babe. Okay, I'll vlog you. Okay? Yes, I'm vlogging you. What is that? 3D plus? Do people actually buy this? Is this for real or is this a toy? I decided to vlog kasi nga pupunta kami dito sa Big W and then magpe-prepare din kami, guys, para sa ano party bukas. Excited din si Dan. Babe, are you excited, babe, for tomorrow?
I am.
Yeah?
I am. I wonder who's got me.
Oh nga, no. Yeah, I don't have any idea. I think Lyra got me. I think. Because she was so skeptical buying the gift because I was there. Let's go to the iPad area, babe. Hala, look at this. Hala, do you wanna wear this? Ito, babe, ikaw na talaga. Wear this, babe. Saan tama ka?
No.
That's cute. Oh, look, this is cute. I like this. $10. Let's get a matching one.
Oh no.
Couple goals.
No way.
Babe, let's get a matching
I
one.
can be Santa. You can be an elf.
Sige. Sige?
Mate. Let's go.
Oh, that's cute.
There won't be anyone small enough for you, babe.
Nah, this is for men, babe. That's why. Look how cute is this, babe. See, you can wear this sa Philippines during Christmas. Here, oh, Santa Claus.
No.
Tsaka, ala, shorts. You like shorts?
No.
Hirap talaga nitong taong to. To, babe, oh. Tignan mo, ang cute-cute niya. Wow. You're thinking about it. Not that one, the other one. It's white, but like you can't really tell because the print. I like that, babe. You know what? Get that. Get it.
I'll try it on.
Yeah, try it on. What size is that? Extra small, babe? Dito yung iPad. Hanapin natin. Okay. Nagbebenta pa rin sila nito. iPhone SE. Ay pa rin sa mga, mga oldies natin. That's not it. That's the Pro. This is the big one. Oh, it is? It is this. Babe, it is this. Yeah, that's it. $459 originally, and now it's $399. 9.7 inch, so that's it, babe.
Is that it? You sure that's it?
I think so. I like the silver, babe. Let's not get gold anymore. I want the silver. You should take a picture and post your face. Dito kami sa counter. Meron sila. Yeah, that's it. Right.
Is that the one we saw at the front?
I think that will fit. I think the case that you got will fit then. Yeah.
Is that the same one that's on the display at the front? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, meron silang stock.
The white front with the gold back.
Right, yeah.
Just got the silver
Silver.
backing.
Yeah. How's the front? What's the color in the front?
So
Is
the
it
front's white.
okay?
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's all good.
Go for that one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine, I think.
thank you. What you got? What?
Mum will be happy we finally got it.
Yeah, I know. Kasi nung birthday niya. What?
Philippines' favourite boxer. That's got a bit
Ah.
Philippines' favourite boxer. Jeff Horn.
Is that his book?
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi nung birthday niya, guys, binigyan kami ng well, lagi naman nagbibigay ng present yung mama niya. Were you gonna say something?
No.
But like, sabi niya, ano bang gusto ni Dan? Sabi ko, ano na lang, pera na lang para ibili ko na, kasi sinabi ko, bibilihan ko si Dan ng iPad or ng tablet. Tapos hindi natuloy kasi ayaw niya talaga. Sabi niya, wag. Tapos napag-decide kami na, yung iPad, Christmas gift namin para sa isa't isa, para like, you know, something na parang gusto namin. So yeah, Finally. Show them the iPad, babe. We got it. Finally.
Just the box.
After how many months? So, meron siyang 397 siya. It was advertised sa paper. So, meron kaming nare-receive na mga papel sa sa mail. Tinitingnan ako ni ate. And, yeah. Nakasale yung iPad nila. $399 from $459. Was it?
So imagine all this stuff on sale, babe, after Christmas.
I know. Sabi ko nga eh. I know, look at this. Sobrang daming Christmas, guys,
I just want
decor.
to hide stuff.
No, you can't hide it. Of course they will find it. Sabi niya, tatago niya daw, tapos babalik kami dito after Christmas. Kasi for sure, pagbalik namin, guys, 6. Pagbalik namin dito, wala na tong mga to. And magsisil to ng bongga talaga. Para next year, meron na kami.
Bonga,
Kasi,
bonga.
what? Say that! Bongga. Babe, oh my gosh. Just imagine, babe. Like, this one, how much that would be after Christmas.
That won't go down.
Oh, because it's food?
Yeah.
But it's a sock.
You'll find plenty of big wins at Big
As in, sobrang magsisale talaga to. Hindi ko pa alam kasi hindi ko pa naman na-try na mag-shop right after Christmas. Pero ang ganda siguro mag-hoard, guys, no? Kapag sobrang dami talaga na murang-mura lang talaga. Kasi alam niyo naman dito kapag nag-sale, as in sobrang nagsisale talaga sila. Lalo na kapag...
How much you reckon they are?
What?
$20.
Yeah, I can see that, babe. It's right on there. Yeah, that's not bad. Yan yung mga laman ng bonbons. Sas mga chocolate, babe. Oh, hala, babe. We're buying chocolate, okay?
Sorry?
We're buying chocolate to bring home.
Well, for tomorrow?
No, Philippines. Tomorrow ka dyan. Kakain ka na naman ng chocolate. Kain ka lang ng kain, ha? Ano?
Yeah, that.
Try that on, na. Sige na. Or do you want to look around? See? Ito,
Nah, I don't want to
babe.
get this. I don't want to get this.
Why? Huy! Just try it.
I don't
It's
wanna
good. Bring it to the Philippines.
No.
Sige na, babe. It's really nice.
Okay.
Try it.
No.
Your whole pose. Do you like it, babe? I like it. Wear that. You alright with it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, let's buy it. Are you gonna wear that tomorrow?
No, it's alright. Philippines.
Okay. Ang ganda ng buns, guys. 40% off. Ito yung kasya sa mga kapatid ko kasi yung panglalaki na pangmalaki.
Is Marlon still small? I
Yung
don't think he's
adult.
small anymore.
No, he's not as small.
He looks large.
Marlon? Sure, uy. Taka-taka. Alam mo siya ni Zoe. They rarely see you smile, babe. Smile more. Sige na. Titingnan ko kung kasya sa kanila. Hindi ko naggamay yung mga size nila eh. Pero tingnan natin. Meron dito 12, 14. Yeah, I think 12, 14 should be alright. Why? Why, babe? You don't like the print?
They look hilarious. Doesn't matter. Who cares?
Actually, no. Buns too, pero the quality is not that bad. Like, it feels rough. Or maybe because of the print?
Because it's just kids.
You know, the one that we got for you, that one's really good
No,
quality.
because adults are different than kids.
So the kids,
They're
they're rough?
They're not going to spend fortune like doing the kids. Because it's just kids.
Maybe it depends. Like this one. See, I think this one is better. Nah, I think it is. Yeah. Nah.
It's
no.
It's kids, babe.
No, tsaka. Tas mahal na to. No, let's buy it in the Philippines. Like, I don't know. Ano ba yung brand ng Parker?
Let's go.
Parker.
Let's go.
Di ko alam mo eh.
Let's go.
I need to pee, babe. Do they have toilet?
No, they don't have toilets once you get home.
No, I need to pee.
They don't have toilets.
You drive then. You drive. Because I'm not driving. I need to pee.
Okay.
Hala ka, uy. Okay, uuwi na kami. Anong oras na ba, babe? It's, mag-8:30 na, guys. 8:25 na. So, nabili na namin finally. Meron siyang 12 months warranty. And then Dan got his shirt, yung magandang shirt. So, you're not wearing it tomorrow?
I will. Why wouldn't I wear it tomorrow?
Because you said...
No, I said I'll wear it tomorrow.
You said you will wear it in the Philippines.
You never listen to me.
Oh, you're right. Are you gonna wear that tomorrow?
No, I'm sorry. Philippines.
Okay. We're all wearing red.
Who's wearing red? No one told me that.
All of us. I told you
First time
that.
I've heard that. Are you serious? It's full word?
Yeah. Bumili kami ito. Nag-start na kami mamili ng mga travel size na mga kung ano-no guys para sa Pilipinas. So, nabilihan ko na siya nung hair spray na travel size, maliit sa Target. And then now, we got the Gillette. Is that how you pronounce that here?
Gillette.
Gillette. Tapos
Best
meron na
man
siyang, what?
The best a man can get.
The best a man can get. And then meron na siyang kasamang shaver. Nag-haul na talaga ako dito sa sasakyan. Wait. And then, I got Dove, yung maliit, para sa akin. Kanyang Nivea Men. Deodorant din. Kasi yung deodorant namin malalaki, yung canister. And then, we got a hand sanitizer. Kailangan daw natin to sa Pilipinas. Over talaga ng taong to. Anyway, that's it guys. Pagdating namin sa bahay, we will prepare the vodka shots. The jelly for the vodka shots. Or are we doing the shots now? Or...
Yeah.
Yeah, excited na ako guys. Hindi, do you actually taste the vodka? Hindi ko kasi siya tinry nung nasa kanila kanika kami.
What do you mean?
Can you taste the vodka? Not really? Na-receive ko din yung package ko galing Misguided guys. Bumili ako ng bagong pants. Bagong pants na binili ko sa Zara. Tsaka siya. Na-return ko na yun. Nag-vlog din ako kahapon. Yan, na-return ko na siya. I got store credit. Walang refund. Wala ding replacement kasi wala yung size ko. Babe, keep this receipt.
Yeah.
You need that for your tag. Where's the case that you got? Bumili siya ng case, guys. Wala pa kaming iPad. Bumili siya ng case. Kasi nakita niya $1 lang sa Officeworks. So, binili niya. But that one is for iPad Air. Pero I think kasha siya. Oh my gosh, babe. Nakumbinsi ko siya na mag-iPad kami. Kasi gusto niya talaga yung mumurahin lang. Oh, where's the case? Where did you put it?
I'll get them later.
Can you get them now? Sige na. You got 2, right? Get them now, please. Thank you. Oh, I got this pala, guys. This is from Stick With You. Nakuha ko to actually matagal na. Siguro mga 2 weeks ago. Ano siya, guys? iPhone skin. Para sa phone ko. Kaya lang wala pa akong time na idikit siya. Kailangan ko pang panoorin yung video na kasama para alam ko kung paano siya idikit. Oh, looks like it will fit. You only got one? How many did you get?
I don't know.
I like that one better. Now let's use that one. So, ito yung binili niya. Alam mo yung binili niya? $1 each. Sa Officeworks. Yan. But this one says it's for iPad Air. But I think okay lang naman siya. Maganda to kasi pwede mo siyang iganyan. Yan. Okay.
Not here feels safer actually, babe.
That's safer.
Yeah.
So you didn't want an iPad, but you got iPad cases. You secretly want one.
Let's do the jelly, babe.
Okay, let's do the jelly. Okay, so gagawin na namin yung jelly. Sidanan ko ba siya kanina? Pinasuot ko siya ng kasi sabi ko, i-vlog natin to. Huwag ka maghubad. So, ininit na niya yung tubig. Ano na siya? Mainit na yan. Boiling water siya. And then we have 2 in here. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano to gawin. So, ano lang naman, yung jelly lang. Ano lang siya. Gawin lang yung jelly, tapos ilalagay yung vodka. That's a glitter jelly. It's blue. We got 3 colors. Blue, green, and pink. It's glittery.
That looks good.
Yeah.
They're good.
Oh, yeah!
How long does it take to freeze?
I don't know. How long?
4 hours.
4 hours, okay.
You have to stir it to make sure all the crystals are melted.
Crystal, okay. Yep. Whoa, that's a lot of vodka. Oh, cool.
That looks really cool.
Yum, yum. And then ito yung mga shot glass.
That looks so good.
It does. I'm so glad we went to the glitter. Ito yung blue, guys. Ang ganda niya, guys. I don't think nakikita niyo siya ng maayos sa camera, pero ang ganda niya sa personal. Ano talaga siya, guys? Glittery. Yung pink, hindi siya masyadong opaque, guys. Pero siguro kapag na ano na siya, parang, I'm not sure. Medyo ano pa din siya, may pagka-transparent na pagka-pink. Hindi din siya ganun ka-pink. Yung blue yung maganda. Nilagay na ni Dan yung iba dito. Yan. Yung blue yung maganda. Kitang-kita nyo na yung sparkle, yung mga glitter, oh. Nice! Now, we will do the green. Ito na, guys. So, ito, regular lang siya na red. Wala siyang glitter. Yung green, gustong-gusto ko yung green. As in, kitang-kita talaga yung glitter ng green. See? Ang dami, guys. Inubos namin yung 750 ml na vodka. And meron pa dito. Yun. Yung blue yung favorite ni Dan. Okay, babe? Let's put that in, babe. So, guys, tapos na namin gawin yung shots. And now, I'm trying on the pants na in-order ko sa Misguided. Tsaka, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang laki. Bakit ang alikabok ng ano ko, mirror ko? Naglinis kasi ako eh. Kasya siya dito kasi size 4 to lahat ng in-order ko. Pero, see? Ano ba yung mga ano nila? Kasi sa website, ano naman siya, very fitted. Pero sa akin, hindi. Tsaka yan. Ito yung pangatlo, guys. Tsaka. Kailangan ko ng bagong pants. Pero wala akong like over bet na bet sa kanilang tatlo. Yung first, okay lang naman siya. Parang kasya siya ng slight. Pero ito talaga yung pangalawa at saka yung ito suot ko ngayon. Tsaka talaga siya. Like may camel toe ako dito. Hindi lang siya masyadong kita kasi black. Pero see, it's supposed to be this. See, ganyan. Maganda sana siya. Kaya lang pandak ang lola nyo. Ganyan sana siya, oh. Dito na kami sa bed. Mag-edit lang ako ng mga videos tonight kasi alam ko wala akong magagawa bukas kasi party bukas. I'm so excited. As in, sobrang excited na ako, guys. Itong gathering na to, para magkita-kita kami or like magsalo-salo before babalik ng trabaho si Kat. Kami ni Ann, wala kami dito sa Pasko. Hindi kami dito magsa-celebrate ng Pasko. So, sabi, ano na lang tayo, mag-exchange gift na lang tayo kasi wala kami dito sa Pasko, you know? So, that happened. Kaya, yun. And gusto namin mangyari siya before bumalik si Kat sa trabaho. So, before December. That's why we're doing it tomorrow. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Mwah!